Shit. Look at this, everybody. Look. Doesn't that face look familiar?
Hey.
All right. This thing's on. Sweet. It's Saturday, and I'm supposed to be at Pacific Raceway right now. You know, for a track day, but last minute they canceled, so I decided to come over here and see what Ricky and Lenny are doing to their Mustangs, and chill for a little bit. So here we go. There's the Miata, dirty as hell. Probably try to get it washed here in a second. And I just pulled up here to the shop, and looks like I'm parked next to a Miata Pro. Miata Pros are pretty much just a slightly bigger version of the regular Miata. Apparently they come with rotary engines. Got a rotary air freshener in there. So don't be confused with the Miata XL. What the Miata XL is, I'll probably throw a picture in there and show you what I call a Miata XL. We got a squad of roadsters out here. Got the blue one there, got the white one there. We got another silver one right here. But oh yeah, by the way, that's a Miata XL. Oh, my bad. Yeah. And then we got the red one, which is mine. So yeah, that's the Miata XL. That's the Miata, and this is the Miata Pro. I'm getting out the old exhaust off the what's this, 2015?
Yeah, it's a 15.
Yeah, taking off the old one off the 15, putting on this brand new fancy what do you call this again?
It's MBRP.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Nice.
The car only has 15,000 miles on it.
Nice.
So that's the amount of miles I bought it with. Well, started at like 14 something.
Yeah.
But due to test drivers.
You know, it is with sports cars and test driving. That can get pretty hectic.
But literally, this is a one-owner car. Before I bought it, was a one-owner. I'm the second owner of it. The person before me apparently is just an old guy. He just wanted a car, like he wanted a sports car. He got bored of it, then we traded it in at a Honda dealership.
At a Honda dealership?
Yeah, I got it at Honda at Kirkland.
That's funny.
I was just messing around and I posted on Instagram saying "Happy Honda Days" with a picture of the key.
Nice.
And Devin, he's like, what the hell did you put? He said that's offensive, and you know my family celebrates Toyotathon.
That's disrespect.
That's just disrespectful. Yeah.
From factory, this is connected right here, and then this is like what, 2.5?
Yeah, it goes from 2.5
into 3
into a 3-inch pipe.
Okay, nice.
And
goes all the way
back into 4-inch tips, but tips don't really mean anything.
Yeah.
Guess what, Tommy? I got stickers.
You just gained 5 horsepower right there, bro.
Pretty much. 5
free horsepower in the package. Look at that.
Remember
Look
how
at
Tommy
that.
was buying IAG parts and get stickers?
Yeah.
Well, last night he was like, "Oh, I finally got stickers from IAG." I was like, "Cool. Did you order it from IAG?" "No, I ordered it from Rally Sport Direct." He got some air separator.
Yeah.
Or air oil separator, and it came with a sticker. So
nice.
Yeah.
All right, watch out.
Different websites.
I'm sending this one out to you and you and you and you. I said to you and you and you.
Too high yet, still cold.
Oh, fuck.
Let it warm up. Yeah, she's sounding nice. She's sounding real nice.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Got the big Brambos on it. Alright. Going for a test spin.
Hopefully crowds will hear me now.
Woo! G-force! G-force!
Sounds good.
Yeah. It's just enough. It's not too overbearing.
Yeah, exactly. And with the windows down, you can hear it.
Yeah.
The windows up.
Oh, okay. You can still hear it.
Yeah, you can still hear it, but at
A lower, like less bass.
Yeah. So it doesn't really drone as bad as I would have thought.
Yeah.
You know, because I was watching the YouTube videos and stuff on it, all the reviews and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, it's pretty cool.
It's a good in-betweener.
Yeah. Plus, you know, $644.82, I want to say.
Oh, for the whole thing?
Yeah. Really affordable.
Yep.
In my opinion, you know.
I feel the wheels breaking loose.
That's not in sport mode either. That's just
Oh yeah?
regular, normal driving mode. I like it. I like it a lot.
Yep, it ain't my car and I like it too. I approve.
Right.
Seems like pretty easy to heel towing this.
A little bit. I had to get used to it because I was so used to my Corolla.
Oh, okay.
It's just that for my liking, I would rather have it just scooched over just
A little bit more, yeah.
a little bit more. Yeah, I don't think I'll get tired of the exhaust.
Nah, I think that's a
And
nice.
it's pretty bearable. We could have a conversation.
Yeah, like with the windows up.
Yeah,
like
with the windows
you
up.
could talk and hear each other, but you could still hear the car.
Yeah, exactly. That's why
It's a good balance.
Yes, it is.
I approve. Yes.
Stupid question. Want to drive it?
I mean, sure. I mean, why not? You know what I'm saying? Take your first spin.
There you go.
So where's the?
Right there.
Oh, damn! Big old fucking red button. You got to hold the brakes to do it.
Yep. You gotta hold the clutch.
Hold the clutch
Oh,
to do
damn. Shit. This is okay.
It
adjust myself.
auto adjusts, so you just push the button, and it should. Oh, never mind.
So fancy.
it. Yeah.
I'm not used to all this luxury, guys. Like, first time driving a 5 million horsepower car.
Not really a 5 million.
Brakes are touchy.
Yeah.
They're factory Brembo.
Well, it's 5 million because, you know, I drive a 100 horsepower. Oh, damn, this thing is a little bit. Oh.
You pull
Oh, you
up.
have to pull up to do reverse?
Yep. Pull up and out. Yep.
Oh my God, I'm so used to my little Miata. I didn't realize. I was like, shit.
Right.
About to smack on the side there real quick. Woo! Oh yeah, he goes a plane. The brakes is touching. Ooh, the brakes is nice.
Yep.
Okay, heel toe's not that bad. It's the first time and it feels nice. Wow. Well, I've only taken a few turns so far, and the turn feels really good. It turns in really good.
Yeah,
You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of driving a FC.
Right.
It's like the minute I turn it,
Yeah.
it's a direct turn. The first Mustang I ever drove was a box body notchback,
Right.
and it did not turn this good. I'm
Yeah.
telling you,
The steering input is really, really
Yep.
good.
it did not turn this good. Wow. And this is just a little baby test,
Yeah.
so I could imagine really putting it out there. But
Right.
they did engineer this to be more of a cornering car, though.
Yeah.
That should put you in the seat, boy.
Yep.
Oh man, this ain't no Miata. That's for damn sure. Woo-hoo-hoo. That torque is serious. I'm so used to driving low horsepower cars.
Right.
I'm not used to that kind of torque. Oh yeah, that turn is nice. Oh my god. Woohoo! Oh, I could just take this to the track, bro.
Yep.
Just the way it is.
Yep.
Wow! I'm already impressed on that little baby run. Shit, when you taking this to the track day, bro, I need to come.